How to hide sensitive content on TikTok. Open the TikTok app on your device. Tap on the icon at the bottom right to access your TikTok profile. Once on your profile, you'll notice 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Tap on them. In the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. Begin by navigating through your settings until you pinpoint the Accessibility option. Once you've successfully identified it, tap on the Accessibility option to delve into its menu. Within the accessibility settings, a noteworthy option awaits your attention. Remove photo-sensitive videos. By toggling this option, you can create a TikTok environment that filters out potentially sensitive content from your feed. This particular feature is highly recommended, especially for those with younger users or for individuals who prefer a TikTok feed free from content that may be considered sensitive. Taking a proactive approach to curate your TikTok experience ensures a safer and more enjoyable time spent on the platform. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and I eagerly anticipate sharing more insightful tips with you in the upcoming videos.